Oh, battery box and diesel heater upgrade. I got the battery box running the diesel heater, which thank God I do because power just went out. And the heater kept going. Power's back on now. But this diesel heater, she's on high right now. There's the battery box. Oh, on high, she's still running 13.7 volts. You can see what she's using for power there. Main power switch. That's my diesel heater switch, or where I got plugged in at. That's for solar panel, that one. It's my external power. I got my 12 volt cigarette lighter plug-in. My USB. I have an LED light hooked up. And here's the dimmer switch for it. I'll turn it on. Yeah, she's bright. She's facing the wall right now, so you really can't see it, but it lights up an entire room. And I can dim it down, dim it up. Let's see what the power doing with the lighting and the diesel heater. About 85 watts, 80 watts. About 6 amps on average. Sitting at about 13.7 volts. This one says 13.5, so it's got a little bit of loss between the two. But she's running on battery power. I got 70 amp hours of battery in there. I'm running AGMs. I want to upgrade to lithium. She can run. I had a space heater hooked up to it the other day. It was running just fine. The diesel heater, I marked 24 hours. That's the 24-hour mark. So I can get about 2 days on this tank, which isn't bad. See how I got that all run through. Got the exhaust, the fresh air intake, the pump. And she's blowing, she's on high right now, so she's pumping out some heat. Here's the controller board. Pretty nice little device. But yeah, that's the battery box and the diesel heater running. Diesel heater's been keeping a room 25 by 25 with a vaulted ceiling at about 72, 73 degrees on low. This is the first time I turned it up on high just to see what the draw would be on the battery box, but it doesn't seem to be much. But yeah, if power goes off or anything, I'm good. I got solar panels I can hook up to that thing. I can plug it into the car cigarette lighter. I can plug it into the wall outlet and charge it. And 70 amp hours. Obviously divide them amps into 70 and that's how long I can run without charging. So yeah, not too bad of a setup.